I'm addicted to Tangle.com because this is the only platform in the universe which offers you an earning while you are posting your videos, your comments, your ideas. It is very exciting to know that there's a platform here in the internet which offers you a reward. So this is the reason why my life will never be completed without opening my Tangle.com on my daily basis. So if you wish to have an earning while you are posting, maybe this is the right platform for you. So why not give a try, man? This is really so exciting. And the environment is very friendly. People are really helping each other to earn. And this is the reason why I'm really addicted to this platform. So why not give a shot and try and prove that what I'm telling you is very true. See you there.